Well, happy days are here again. The skies are going to be clear again, and we can all go out and drink beer again. Sure, why not? If you want to. Happy days are here again because I got my timing chain, finally. I can't believe how long it took this thing to get here. Let me say a couple things. In fact, this is not going to be a real rant or anything, but I'll put you over here so I can stand back while I'm talking to you so that you can see the look in my eyes. Most of my life, the internet didn't exist. Now, you young fellers out there have the option to almost anything you want to do. Just go on YouTube, you find somebody that does it and tells you how to do it. Back in the old days, you either had the knowledge in your head or you didn't. And if you didn't, you either just figured it out as you went along or you asked somebody that did. Which, if you think about it, we lived out in the country and there wasn't no nearby neighbors, and a phone call that was anywhere other than the town you lived in was long distance. So we didn't have a lot of help. We figured it out for ourselves. Now, yesterday I mounted this oil pump and the little, thing that it sucks the oil up in here with. And then I went online and looked, and I thought not only was there exact details on precisely how to do it, but there's specialty tools for it, and all these things that says do and don't do, and I'm thinking, good grief. I'm gonna have 100,000 people on YouTube telling me I did it wrong, because they'll be able to go to YouTube and look at how to do something, and they'll just say do it. Whereas I'm working out of my old head, and in my old head we got it done just fine. It's just that we a lot of times didn't know what we were doing. We just figured it out. Well, that's how all this is, and that's kind of how this whole rebuild is. So I just said all that. So there, it's said now. So anyway, we can move on past that. And if y'all see me doing something that you don't like, just, I don't know what to tell you, just consult the Lord about it and ask Him to, forgive me of my sins. And in the meantime, I'm going to put that timing chain on this motor today. Fancy dancy little timing chain right here. Oh, just look at it. We even got a new gear for the top and the bottom. That's like a double gear. Interesting. That one is too. Interesting. That's a different kind of chain than this one. Interesting. Okay, that means I might have to change that bottom gear, which I didn't really want to do, but I can do if I have to do it, even though I didn't want to do it. But once I change the timing gear, then I can put the timing chain cover on it, and then I can put the oil pan gasket on it, and then I can put the oil filter on it, and then I can flip it over and put the heads on it. I can put the intake manifold on it, and I can put the lifters, in on the cam before I put the intake manifold on it, and the carburetor and the exhaust manifolds, and drop the distributor in there, and we'll be at a point where we can crank this up. So that's what I'm excited about today. So that's what we're moving toward. We will start in that direction, and we'll see where we turn out to be. Okay. Lovely. Just lovely. Okay. Now, no play in the timing chain whatsoever. And it's important. There should be no play whatsoever in the timing chain. I didn't intend to change this pulley here. Generally, I don't think these pulleys wear out really much. They're so sturdy, but they sent me a new one anyway, and this new chain works with that type of pulley, which is like a bicycle chain pulley. I don't know if that's better than one of these or not, but it is what it is. So luckily I had a puller, so I could go ahead and change that. When the harmonic balancer goes on here, it will push in here so that none of this will move. There's nothing really that holds the camshaft except it just slips in there. This chain is actually what holds it. So of course there's a timing chain cover too. So speaking of that, next thing I'm going to do is scrape the paint off the edge of this timing chain cover, and then I'm going to put that timing chain cover gasket and cover right onto there. So yeah, so let's do that.